guys, it's Purple here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. So guys, first we're going to do a LOL. Let's see, it's a colour change surprise. So let's do it. Yeah, it's a bit loud. Oh, I found this, guys. It looks like it's water change colour. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's do another one. I'll see you in a minute when I'm unwrap this all. So guys, I've unwrapped this ball and there's something here, so I'm just going to get this out. There's this over here. I don't know what it is, but I guess we're gonna find out. So it looks like it's some shoes. Here are some shoes, as you can see. I'm going to leave them to the side. Let's carry on to the rest. Here is also another one. I'm just going to... it's a water bottle. I've already got these shoes and water bottle, so it might be the same. Don't want it to be the same. Okay, here's another one. I think it is the same. Yeah, it's the same one I got, guys. But that's also okay, I guess. Okay, time for the big part. Because the one I've got is not colour changing. Yeah, I've got this, as you can see. Let me show you it. There you go. Now, there's a checklist. And now, oh yeah, Happy New Year's Eve. Hope you all had a nice 2021. Yeah. Hope we had a really nice 2021. There she is. She's really pretty. And I hope you guys have enjoyed my channel throughout 2021. So, yeah. So, there's the doll. I'll take a picture of her and then you can see her. Okay, now onto this. I'll show you. I'll just unwrap it, guys. These are real little backpacks. There's real little stuff inside. So you can just open this and let's see what we have here. Ooh, we got this swirly rainbow lunchbox. Is there anything inside? Nope. We've got this cool pen, which I've already got, which is fine. These cool stickers, which I have similar ones to these, but I don't exactly have them. And I've got a paper clip. I didn't get the rare water bottle, that's fine. I've already got loads of water bottles in here. And yeah. So I've got that clip, these stickers, and a pen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy New Year's Eve, and hope you enjoyed 2021 and my YouTube channel in this year.